How sleek is the hair though? I can feel it.
Someone tell this girl to keep quiet. I don't know why she's talking in my video.
Dice is on the beat.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you guys are so ready for this Black Friday sale. You know what, my money's all gone, so I'm not even going to talk about Black Friday sale right now. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to install this beautiful wig that I've got on, and this is by ISEEhair. So ISEEhair on Aliexpress have sent me yet another unit to show to you guys. I wanted to share with you guys how amazing this hair is. ISEEhair is one of my favorite brands that I like collaborating with, and this is the third unit that they have sent me, and so far it has all been so amazing. I'm just gonna let you guys keep on watching this video to see how easy this hair was to install. Anyway, let's get straight into styling this hair. So this is the hair I'm going to be working with, and this is a 4x4 closure, and it is a straight hair. This hair feels really soft. ISEEhair, like I said before, is one of my favorite AliExpress brands, and I just love working with them all the time, and this is my third collaboration with them. It obviously should show that I am a big fan. Even though the lace kind of do look pre-plucked, I also kind of feel like it's a little bit straight hair. So what I'm going to do is, before I put it on my head, I'm going to go ahead and just pluck out and make it look a little bit realistic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this airbrush legs, and this is a tanning spray that I got from Amazon. I'm just going to shake it and I'm going to spray it. Instead of bleaching the lace, I feel like this is just an easier way to just install this wig without having to like struggle. So I'm just going to shake it. I'm going to spray it directly onto the lace just to tint it. So with this, you can either wait for it to dry, or you can just use a blow dry to just fasten up the process. Meanwhile, I'm just going to adjust the elastic band just so that it fits perfectly, and I'm also going to cut off the lace that is at the back of this wig. Okay, so let's just adjust this wig onto my head, and I'm just going to go ahead and see how this is looking like. I feel like closure wigs are just so much easier to work with nowadays. The cap size was slightly big on me, so maybe I should have gone for like a smaller size, because last time I tried to go for small with another brand's hair, it was so tight. This hair feels so full already. This is a 26-inch in length, and the density is 180. I can definitely feel how full this hair is. Right now, I'm just like not quite sure with what I want to do. I really love how soft this hair is. Like, ISEEhair is my absolute fave company, and their hairs are always just so full, and they just never disappoint me. So let me just try with this and see. My forever favorite hairstyle. As you all know, I always leave the lace till last, because if I'm gonna hot comb this, I am so scared to just burn myself. When it comes to styling, the first thing I'm gonna do is use my wax stick by Hair and Ella, and I'm just gonna apply this on the parting. And next, I'm just gonna take my hot comb, and I'm just gonna comb the front backwards. This is what the pattern looked like, and I also like the fact that I wore that light wig cap underneath, because it just helps like with the lace to just make it look more like scalp. With this, normally you just barely tend to need to put like any powder on top of it. I still feel like I could go more in with my tweezing, because I still feel like the hairline is kind of looking too straight for me. now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. So I'm just gonna cut it right straight across my forehead. And then I'm also gonna cut these because they normally like really annoying and they're like so light. But be careful you're not cutting the thread that actually joins with the weft. So you need to be really careful. You can also use a powder to just hide that. So I feel like I'm gonna bring this wig a little bit forward, like so. Yeah, just right there. And I'm also gonna bring out a little bit of a baby hair on the temple right here. So I like to test it out first just to see if that spot is good, and I feel like that spot is amazing. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. And then I'm gonna use my Hair and Ella. This is the whipped cream lace melting foam. I really like this because it keeps it like really like, it's like a holding spray but in a mousse form. I absolutely love this product right here so much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some, just a little bit.
Dice on the beat.
Once I've swept that to the side, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the extra hair, and voila. So that's all gone so that it is like short like this. I'm just gonna fix it in a minute and show you guys. So now that I have installed the lace closure and also styled baby hairs on the temples, which I feel like just makes it super nice and just gives it like a different feel, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna flat iron this hair and just like put some heat to it. It is obviously super silky right now and so soft, even though I haven't actually put any heat to it. This shows that this hair is actually very good. Like the quality of it is super amazing. I'm just gonna straighten through the hair. So I'm actually gonna section it from the back first. Let me just section this from the back, and after that I'm just gonna like detangle the hair, and then I'm just gonna flat iron that just like this. This 26 inches feels super long. Like, oh my god, look at it. It comes like all the way almost up to my waist. So to bring some life into this hair, I'm just gonna use my argan oil, and this is just gonna give the hair a little bit of sheen, and I'm only gonna use one pump because sometimes it makes it a bit over shiny. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through the hair. I don't want to like keep it too shiny, but I would also like to like give a little bit of moisture, that kind of moisture look or something. I don't even know the right words to use for it, but I hope you guys understand what I mean.
How sleek is the hair though? I can feel it.
Do you want to call on video?
I can feel it through the, yeah, how do we call it?
Someone tell this girl to keep quiet. I don't know why she's talking in my video.
Ah, mashallah. Oh, but the hair is so sleek, Amy. Wow, it looks really beautiful. Look at you! Look at you, so pretty. Oh, mashallah. Oh.
Someone tell this girl to stop gassing me. guys, I think this is like me all done with styling this hair. This was such an easy install and it's super easy to style. I feel like overall, if I was to do this without filming, it would take me about 10 minutes max. And that's like really good for you guys that are like lazy, you know. What I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and like put some waves into this. I was actually thinking of giving it a body wave, like to just curl it. But I'm like, okay, nah. So I'm just gonna flip this to see how that would work. So I'm just taking chunky bit and just flip it. Then I'm just gonna keep it straight down and twist again. And this just, it doesn't really do much to it, but it just flips the end of it. I will show you in a minute. So I'm gonna take the last section and I'm gonna do the same thing. And this is all it has done to it. See? That's it. So still a straight hair, but we just got it to look a little bit more sophisticated. See guys, this is what I achieved from just by doing that, and as you can see, this is what I meant. It just gives this hair like a different style, and I just love how this looks like. It is so posh and so flipping sexy, you guys. Like, so this is all I did to this hair. Again, this hair was super easy to install and very easy to style. I hope that you guys can like recreate this at home. I know that you guys can recreate this at home. So I wanted to make sure that this hair video was up just in time for Black Friday sales, because ISEE on AliExpress have amazing discount, especially on this wig. And obviously you can also go for the texture that you want. Whatever texture that you like, they have it available in store. So make sure you guys check the links down below. Check every single link, click on them, and it will take you directly to their page. Otherwise, you can always just search ISEehair on AliExpress app and it will take you to their store. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye now.